Hey guys, Robert Brown here with EcoZapp AC Efficiency. We're out here in Kingwood today where we just installed these two inverter systems. The difference between these and your traditional system is the upstairs unit is going to provide a constant circulation of airflow, while the units outside with their variable speed are going to provide the proper amount of power to cool your home efficiently. As another really cool thing about these inverter systems is I'm standing right over the system, the fan is running with the mic on, and you can barely hear it. They're a lot bigger than the traditional unit you've seen outside of your house before. The reason being is the coils are taller and thicker to maximize the amount of airflow that can come through to run your home efficiently. Another thing that sets these inverters apart is the automated computerized controls to help maximize the level of efficiency that's going to be going through your home. What we have here is a 20 Seer system. Your Seer rating is your seasonal energy efficient ratio, which you can directly relate to gas mileage in a vehicle. The higher the Seer rating, the less money you're going to have to spend to power the system as well as maintain it.